that's it. She's all packed up, ready to go. It's hooked onto the ute now. We're all packed up for the trip, so we're going to head up to Noosa for a few days and test out the rig. I'm pretty happy with how it came up. There are a few little finishing touches that I'll give you a few shots of now. But other than that, it is seaworthy, registered, the trailer's registered, it's all ready to go. So we're going to go and see how it goes on the water.
Approximately 10 hours later.
If I just put that over there. I don't think it even needs that. Stop! Photos of me!
Oh, that's good.
I can't see because it's just bright light behind your head. You cheeky boy.
This is Mitch, videography expert, camping enthusiast, and potentially great model material. He's a good dude.
You cheeky day one.
Good on camera.
Thank you, mate. I needed to hear that today.
How's Jordan look? And this is Jordan. We're pretty sure he created sound. Voted best looking ginger from 2010 to 2021.
Good. You like that? Is that good?
Oh, it's a nice close-up, Jordan.
Yeah, it's a
like
30.
This is also Jordan, not to be confused with other Jordan. Think Mr. Incredible, but if he was 10 times as strong and loved fishing.
Welcome to my channel. My name's Jack.
Morning. It's whatever time it is on Saturday. We got in pretty late last night, and I just slept in the swag in the back of the ute. We had a pretty decent cook up, and that was about it. So I'll do a bit more filming today, since yesterday was just mainly travel. But hopefully we'll go fishing today. We might go right up to Double Island Point and see what it looks like. But other than that, check out this view behind me. Well, hopefully I don't have anything in my teeth. We just finished brekkie, but I just wanted to bring you back out here and show you how good this spot is. Just check it out. It's seriously so nice here. So this is Teewah Beach, Zone 3. We are camped literally like not even 100 meters from the beach. So we're gonna go into Hastings Street or somewhere this morning and get some coffees and pick up our next compadre, Jacob. So he's gonna come along on the trip too. So other than that, yeah, I just wanted to bring you back out because it is just such a beautiful spot. Come up here searching for reception so that we can get in touch with Jacob, but no reception, but it was worth the view anyway. Right here at Double Island Point, It's pretty nice up here. It's a bit windy, but it's really good. The boys are just out there having a swim, but I didn't really feel like going for a swim because it's freezing cold and I don't have a towel. So just going to do some videoing, and yeah, I think we might go fishing later. Gonna go pick Jacob up, might go for a walk, and yeah, we'll bring you along for those few things. Obviously the drink of choice for this weekend, other than Great Northern, is the Mighty Fine Up and Go. So my challenge that I've set for myself is to grow the channel big enough that Up and Go are going to sponsor me, and they're just going to send me a container of Up and Go whenever I want. And Mitch is laughing at me, but mark this day, I'm going to get a container of Up and Go sent to my house, and I'm going to make Mitch drink some.
Doing home, Doug? The results of the Pipi shuffle.
And a pocket full.
Get on the Pipi shuffle.
We're going to write a song called A Pocket Full of Pippies.
A pocket full of Pipis.
It's going to be a kid's nursery rhyme.
How's it go, mate?
Got a pocket full of Pippies and an esky full of beardies. What are you doing there, Mitchy?
I got an extra in my beer. What could it be?
What did you catch, man?
I didn't catch anything. I just had a beer and then this appeared. What?
Oh, Pippies, beer Pippies. Pippies.
Pippies.
We were down on the beach doing the Pipi shuffle, which you'll see in that previous video. And check out my mad bum bag. But we caught a heap of Pippies. Thanks to Jordan as well. And Jacob. Howdy. Hey. Animal cruelty. Got Pippies, baby! Pipi! Pipi! So we're about to go fishing and surf, and we'll see if we catch any. I don't want to say it's unlikely because I don't want to jinx us, but we do have the man who always catches fish here. Mitch. Yeah, Mitch. So we'll see how we go. You're the man that always catches the fish.
Oh, yeah.
Like I've been floating, and all the shadows are behind me, and maybe I'm not going anywhere. Is the world around me going by, floating through time? Will you catch up to me? Will you take hold and tell me? Will you catch up to me? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on? Will you catch up to me? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on tonight? Planet, are we on? Will you catch up to me?
Good job, dude.
Do you want to hold it up?
What's that? Hold it up. Yeah. You.
Good nice,
Good stuff.
You want me to fill that for you, mate?
If you want.
Yeah, I'll give it a crack.
Yeah, that'd be good. How do you do it? Do you have a knife on you, or? Oh, excellent. Just find the edge. And you don't use a knife because you'll cut yourself. That's a flapjack fishing tip. And you just like usually you would use a knife, but
Yeah, mate, just let him bleed for mate.
Good fight.
Yeah, I want to go.
mate, I can't open this one. Cooking them for about 10 minutes, and they smell like a sock that's been left out in the rain. Whoa. The boys really want me to eat one, but I don't. Is that cooked?
Yes. Good. Bit of salt and pepper, it should be beautiful.
Yeah, do it. Go.
Get it?
Yeah. Match.
Really salty.
It's a delicacy, bro.
Oh, it's like eating sand. Ugh. I have so much sand in my teeth. Delicious. I rate that a 1.5 out of 10. Oh, lots of texture. Oh.
That's like that service.
Yeah.
Viewers, what do we think? Vote yes or no so I know to keep going. Yes says I'll flip it. Otherwise, the rest of this video will just be me waiting.
You watched the video.
I know, but I'm just forgetting.
No,
now that
okay.
there's a camera in front of me.
Just trust your gut.
Sorry?
Trust your gut.
Trust my gut.
Yeah.
I've never done this. I feel like you get rid of the fins first.
Yeah, you can.
No, it's a waste of time.
Start at the back.
This way?
So you're probably on it like you don't really need this bit. So I'd cut like down there,
Like vertically.
and then like stick it in.
So we
there.
don't want this part.
No, because that's like
That's
the
the
rib
gut.
cage and the
You
guts.
want you
I
want
spent
this
the
bit
most
here.
time scaling that part. Okay, it's more pressure than I thought.
Nice job, mate.
Not a bad fillet, mate.
I reckon that's pretty
For
good.
your first
actually.
try. Then tell us how you felt about that experience.
You know, I feel pretty good. Oh, yuck. Royalty-free sound effect. Mitch.com.
So Jordan, the champion, went out and provided dinner for us. That's the fish that you just saw. Thanks, mate. You're a legend. And we've cooked it up with garlic, butter, and some chili, and we're going to throw some lemon on it. So let's get our taste buds wet. Hey, Mitch.
So keen to get wet.
Oh. Thanks, Jordan. Good focus.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's really good. Just want to get like all this stuff, garlic and chili.
Good.
Nothing better on this earth than fresh fish. I mean, to eat. That's an end to day 2. It was a good day. We got a heap of pippies, learned the pippy shuffle, caught a fish. Yeah, so tomorrow hopefully we'll go get the tinny out. I'm really keen to see if the motor actually starts, which it should. Started first pull the other day. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow for some more cooking adventures, fishing adventures, and beach driving and mucking around. And I learned my lesson not to leave the windows open when driving into the campsite because my ute is now covered in sand everywhere. Mistakes were made. I left the window open when we were driving into our camp, and I got a lot of sand everywhere. It's probably all over my face, all in the ute, all in my cup holder, down there. Living the dream. But anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you tomorrow.